Hello and welcome to this presentation. My name is David Carlos from Victoria Air Photos and Survey. And in this presentation we're just going to go over drone delivery solutions using the RPAS heavy lift quadcopter. And we're going to just try to document how we can do this and how efficiently it can be done safely using the multi-rotor and sling system. Here we can see it is a team effort, and the receiving crew is trained and briefed on how to unload the sling and the pack and safely and efficiently package the material that is within the weight and boundary envelopes of the aircraft and load it for flight. The logistical applications for this are really endless if you think about close service and support in those difficult to reach areas that may need emergency, medical, or food supplies. Using GPS and FPV from the drone, we're able to locate with precision the drop-off zone or the pickup zone. Thanks for watching, and if you have an application that you see this could be used for, please reach out to us. We'd love to talk to you and work on this innovation even further. You can reach us by email at info@victoriaairphotos.com or call us at 250-507-6421.